Okay, it's very important to sketch a right triangle, and so let's do that. The arc cosine, so cosine, inverse cosine, that implies an angle, okay? And since it doesn't have a denominator, my ratio is x plus 2 over 1. Alright, and that implies a triangle. So let's go ahead and draw it in the first quadrant. And we'll say we don't know how big it is, so we'll say there's this angle, and x plus 2 is the adjacent to this angle. I guess we'll just call it u, the angle u. X plus 2 is adjacent, and the hypotenuse is 1. Okay, and I'm supposed to find the sine, so I know I'm gonna need this side. B equals what? Well, let's see. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. Okay, fine. We'll say b squared is equal to 1 squared minus a squared, which is x plus 2 squared. So let's see. B squared is equal to 1 minus x. Well, I better put in parentheses still. X squared plus 4x plus 4. I square it. And I'm going to say b squared is equal to 1 minus... Oh, well, let's... Can we do it all at once? Let's do it all at once. We'll say negative x squared. And we'll say negative 4x. And then that would have been a negative 4, but there's this plus 1 out in front, so we have negative 3. Alright. So, b is the square root of negative x squared, negative 4x, negative 3. I feel like I've gone too far, hadn't I? I think I could have just said b is equal to the square root of 1 minus x plus 2. I think that would have been good enough right there. That's not my final answer, though. So let's just say that. Instead of going to all this trouble, let's just say the square root of 1 minus x minus 2 squared. And now, the sine of u is equal to just that over 1, opposite over hypotenuse. So here it is. That's my answer. Okay, that's it.